Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video, I am just going to be showing you guys a weekend into my life. I literally just got off work, got home, and I am exhausted. This is one of our first weeks being back since the new year and since the Christmas break. And as you guys can see, this is how my day went. Those kindergartners drove me nuts today. So my son's getting ready to leave for the weekend. He wants to go spend the weekend with my grandparents. So I need to get ready to pack him a bag because last time he went, he clearly forgot to pack some of the greatest essentials ever. Wonder what that could be. Underwear. And so, yeah, I'm gonna make sure that I pack it this time. So I'm like digging deep in the closet for his overnight bag. So let me get ready to pack this up real quick. Brand new shirts he just clearly will not wear. So guess what? You're gonna wear them this weekend, obviously, in order to come back home or go out with my grandmother to Walmart. Anyways, we got socks and underwear. Cannot say that they're not in there. Got 2 pair of pants in case he goes out, and then when he needs a pair of shorts in there because I know how Cam can be. He acts like it's really, really hot. Here it is, pajamas still from Christmas that I made a big deal about getting, that we never even got the chance to all have on at the same time. Might as well pack them. And then his brand new SpongeBob pajamas from Christmas, because all Cam does is take the shirts and leave the shirts in here, right? But he takes the pants out. So like keeps the shirts in here but puts the pants on. So all the pants are in the dirty clothes. No biggie. I need to grab, he has his little stash over here of like deodorant. He has spray. He also needs his body wash, and I'll have to grab his toothbrush and toothpaste. And he has his lotions, right? And there's his toothbrush and toothpaste. So the Cam doesn't get off the bus until 3:45. Got it. I'm gonna do some meal planning, so look forward to that video. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm telling you, I got a meal prep. This week has been a rough one because every morning I've been like, what can I take for work? What can I take for work? What can I take for work? So I'm tired of doing that. I am going to buckle down and do a 2-week meal plan and only buy groceries for those 2 weeks. That way I'm not like wasting eggs, wasting milk, wasting bread, wasting this or that. Y'all hold me accountable to that one. Anyways. So I'll clean the toilet in a little bit. Right now, I'm gonna move on to getting these dishes done.
travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your.
Okay, so I recently in the mail, no sponsor, no nothing, just recently got this for my computer. So I did get the rainbow kind.
You're gone now, but you're coming back. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your station. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination.
Lord, I love to have the rooms in the house smelling good. Good Saturday morning. So I'm up doing some meal prepping. So yes, y'all, it is about 8:30. I do plan on going to the grocery store later. Tomorrow is my reset day where I do the kids' hair. Tomorrow or tonight, I'm definitely gonna wash mine, blow dry it, flat iron it. All right, so this morning, this is what I'm working with to wash all of her stuff. So what I need to do in here in the bathroom really is to vacuum, clean the toilet, and then of course clean the tub. You have, oh, okay, I don't have anything in here. Thought I had some clothes I was washing in here, but that's good. That way I can go ahead and wash hers. With her clothes, I do use any free and clear laundry detergent that is for sensitive skin, because whenever we wash her stuff in Tide or Gain or anything else, her skin seems to get very irritated. So she's very, very sensitive with, you know, like what she puts on her body, and that includes detergent. Okay, so I'll just have this one last load of hers, and that'll be it as far as laundry. So I'm just gonna go sit and wait. All right, so Sky asked me to put together and help her with this Hello Kitty build set. It is a Hello Kitty Sunshine Park This, I think came from Five Below, but she got it for Christmas. So she's having trouble putting it together. And we're gonna put it together and make it look just like this. Alright, so put this on top like this. Put this on top like this. Okay, so we got the benches and the chairs. And then we have the flowers. And here's another flower. And then we have the, I guess it's like a water fountain and Hello Kitty. And then we have the bench that we had to put together. So we did it. All right, so I did make my iced coffee using my JAVY concentrate. That is linked in my description box down below as well. All right, so I just took the girls out to go to the bathroom. All right, so I pulled out some items. It's just me and Sky here at the moment. Pulled out some items for her to make us some lunch. So we have pizza sauce, the crescent dough sheet, and then some pizza cheese. All the dishes done and put away, and I'm trying to just make sure like my house is clean and tidy and up to par. That way the rest of this afternoon your girl can edit, and tomorrow will just, like I said, be my reset day where I have Cam's hair to do, Sky's hair to do, my own, and get them ready for school, you know, for Monday. Why don't y'all go lay down? Why don't y'all go lay down? Why don't y'all go lay down? Sasha, why don't you go lay down?
She likes to lay down.
Lay down. Good morning, y'all. It is officially Sunday, and you can tell by the frost on my car. Maybe if it focuses. That it's cold. I don't have to go out yet. Yeah, I don't have to go outside yet. But last night I did my nails. I showed you guys that. I just did it myself. I got tired of like my nails kind of like breaking off with no nail polish, so these are my real nails. Did my toenails too. But anyways, yesterday I got lazy, y'all, and I did not do the laundry like I was supposed to. Yes, this is the nightgown that I got for Christmas, where the whole family got the matching pajamas. It really looks like just like a big buffalo plaid t-shirt, long sleeve t-shirt kind of. But anyways, I have these clothes to, you know, get together so that way I can put my stuff away, and Cam can come home to his. I have to pick up my Walmart. I have to pick up my Kroger order in between 11 and 12. So that is my Kroger pickup for the week for my my meal planning and dinner and lunch and breakfast and stuff like that. So I have the kids' hair to do. I need to clean the toilet and the tub, their showers, do something with this hair. Whew. And yeah. All right, so I made me some gravy, and then I made my biscuits right here. That's my breakfast, and I'm going to make me a JAVY iced coffee. So I added a little of the white chocolate sauce on the inside, and I'm ready to sip. The code is in my description box down below, right along with the link. Okay, so I've been to Kroger today to do my pickup order, and now I'm gonna get ready to meal prep. I have dishes I need to wash to get done for this evening, so I don't have to come home to them tomorrow. I do have to get ready to get my kiddos in the tub. I'm sorry, not the tub, in the shower. Eventually before bed, and then I also need to finish Skylar's hair and do Cam's hair. So I'm gonna get ready to do that, and I hope that you guys enjoyed my weekend vlog. It definitely was packed full of laundry. Be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up so that YouTube knows that you all like this video and puts it out, as well as making sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss out on another video. And yeah, comment down below what was your favorite part about my weekend, because it surely was a lazy laundry weekend. Peace.